Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I will tell you about the sound and volume problem in your device Samsung M53 and M53 5G. So if in a device you are having an issue related to the sound or the volume of the device, you can solve this by the method as I will show you in this video. Before starting, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now follow the steps and watch the complete video and you will learn how you can solve the volume and sound problem in your device. Let's watch it.